Your 3 p.m. decision making is compromised every single day. The crippling afternoon crash isn't normal fatigue, it's energy volatility. You are fueling your engine with the wrong ratio. Today, I'm giving you the steady state breakfast ratio that guarantees mental clarity past lunchtime. Let's fix your metabolism. To be the best you and introduce the executive performance gap. Now, I know you are familiar with this. And for sure, the strategies that work at 25 will definitely not work at 55. But if you are crashing before 3 p.m., you are making the number one fuel mistake that sabotages your focus before 10 a.m. Today, I'm going to give you the fix. I will define the steady state breakfast ratio, which guarantees mental clarity past lunchtime. And if you stick around, I will even share the key supplement I use at 63 to maintain this dominance. Let's knock this down. That inevitable 3 p.m. collapse isn't a problem with your coffee, it's a problem with energy volatility. You rely on quick carbs, a bagel, juice, or sweet coffee for a huge morning spike. This is the energy roller coaster. It's the highest possible risk strategy for an executive, forcing you to make critical decisions when your brain is running on fumes. This is pillar one, metabolic maintenance. This isn't dieting. It's optimizing your blood sugar and nutrient timing for sustained flatline cognitive output. When you fuel your body like a high-performing strategic asset, you eliminate the volatility, you eliminate the brain fog, and you reclaim your afternoons. Here's the value. You must implement the steady state breakfast. You must front load your day with a high-quality protein and fiber. The specific ratio is non-negotiable for sustained mental clarity. 30 to 40 grams of protein paired with 8 to 10 grams of clean fiber. This mix delays glucose absorption and guarantees sharp, tactical focus past 1 p.m. Oh, and my key personal supplement for 50 plus metabolic support is berberine. I take 500 milligrams with this breakfast to further stabilize glucose and prevent any crash. Fixing your metabolism gives you the energy, but energy alone won't create breakthrough results. To turn that energy into deep tactical focus and true strategic flow, you need pillar two, cognitive endurance. Don't let your energy sabotage your focus. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next episode where we dive into the 3-hour deep work protocol. I'll show you exactly how to structure your day for guaranteed breakthrough focus. And for the full system, download my free metabolic checklist guide at flowluxury.ai. Comment below on how I can help you supercharge your performance and fitness journey.